Hello everyone, my name is Carmen Palermo and I'm a professional storm chaser out of Indiana. I studied meteorology at Ball State University from 2016 to 2020, and this is just going to be a short recap on my 2024 storm chasing season. This season I only recorded 5 tornado intercepts, 3 of which were on one day in May, which is down from the 15 tornadoes that I intercepted in 2023. So not quite the best year for me. We had a lot of busted chases at the beginning of the year, and I didn't make the best decisions on some of them, and I also skipped on some of the chases that actually produced photogenic tornadoes. So not the best year so far. I'll have a list in the corner of my screen of the tornadoes that I saw this year, and you'll get to see them throughout the rest of this little short series. On April 2nd, 2024, I was chased down by an EF1 that was hidden in this rain curtain right outside of Newcastle, Kentucky. The tornado did not do very much damage besides to barns and trees. On May 6, 2024, the SBC would issue a tornado-driven high risk for parts of Oklahoma and south central Kansas. I started my day off just west of Woodward, Oklahoma. While I was chasing this tornado-warned storm just west of Oklahoma City, a large supercell would put down a violent EF4 tornado that impacted Barnsdall, Oklahoma around 9:30 p.m. This tornado would unfortunately kill 2 people. On May 21st, the SBC would issue a moderate outlook for significant tornadoes across southern Iowa. I started my day off in Des Moines when I was awoken at my hotel by tornado sirens at 8 in the morning, thanks to some severe storms. I then made my way over to Atlantic, Iowa, and started my chase day off. Big tornado. It's a strong tornado. It's gonna get rain wrapped soon. Big tornado, still on the ground. Back in the rain. Big tornado. tornado. Starting to die off, starting to rope out. On June 23rd, the SBC would issue a 10% tornado risk for parts of New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire. While the day was pretty uneventful, I still had a great time chasing up in the Northeast and saw some great storms. The rest of the year, I did not chase very much. I only chased maybe like once a month. The storms were very few and far between. We didn't really have any classic tornado outlooks that whole time. The only good storms that I saw for the rest of the year were in Oklahoma in November, which you'll see at the end of this video. I'm hoping that this upcoming year will bring better fortune for me.